In this video, we will continue looking at the basics of procedural content generation in Unreal Engine 5.6. In the previous video, we spawned trees. We will now add rocks and shrubs to the scene and remove overlapping elements from the scene. The nodes for the tree generation have been given a comment box with the title Cedar Trees. We add another surface sampler from the Get Landscape data. We should change the random seed or the points will spawn on top of the trees. We leave the default values for the node. Then add a transform points node. In the settings for this node, we set the Z-axis rotation range from 0 to 360 degrees. The scale min and max are set to 0.5 and 1.5 respectively. We add a bounds modifier node and set the bounds minimum and maximum values both to 1.2 for the X and Y dimensions and 0.5 to 0.7 for the Z dimension. This is connected to a self-pruning node to reduce overlapping objects. We then add a difference node with the source as the output of the self-pruning node and the difference to the output of the transform points node for the cedar trees. The density function is set to binary, and this will produce separation between the trees and forest rocks. The final node in this route is a static mesh spawner. We add 3 mesh entities and set the static mesh for each 1 to 3 different forest rocks. Add a comment box and set the title as Forest Rocks. Take a look at the level and see that the PCG box has both cedar trees and forest rocks. We can add small bushes using a similar approach. The surface sampler has 2 points per square meter. Transform points offsets are -5 and 5. An X and Y axis rotation of -2 to 2 has been added. The scale is from 0.3 to 0.5. The differences have inputs from both the output of the transform points for the cedar trees and the difference output for the forest rocks. The static mesh spawner has a single entity, which is a small bush. Take a look at the level and see that the PCG box has cedar trees, forest rocks, and small bushes. That covers the basics of setting up a PCG volume that spawns rocks and shrubs in addition to trees.